I have a second channel, Cube Compium TDX. Hey everybody. Yes, we're going to be cleaning out two computers. This one right here is in for upgrades. I'm saving the best for last today, so that's why you don't see the second computer yet. So this one here, it's just in for some upgrades, and overall it's not too dirty inside. So I got the air compressor already charged up, so we'll go ahead and clean this one out and just wait till you see the second one. Okay everybody, as I mentioned, I'm saving the best for last. This is a computer that I built about 7 years ago. Well, it didn't build from scratch. It's a gateway system. Motherboard failed in it, and client wanted to not only have the motherboard replaced, but have some other upgrades as well, including a video card, among other things. I don't think the video card was originally in this thing when I got it. Obviously, that's not a fact. That's not an OEM card. That's a retail. I can tell for sure. Looks like some NVIDIA card. Thing also has a TV tuner crammed in there. As you can see, the CPU cooling fan is not even on the cooler anymore. When I opened this thing up, it was just laying in the bottom of the system. Client supposedly went out and bought a new computer. This is what can happen when your computer is neglected. I mean, when you never clean it out. I'm not sure why this came loose like that though. That's kind of weird. Actually, it clipped into this cooler on either side, and somehow these clips came loose. Don't exactly know how, but you can see on this heatsink, on this heat pipe cooler, air could not really get through there. So maybe this thing was ramping up the fan to full speed, and the fan decided to just let go, and it went to the bottom of the case. But just look at the dust in this thing. I do think this is out of a smoker home. So as you may have seen in some of my previous videos, the ones from smoker homes, they tend to be a bit worse. I do think I can save this thing though. We'll just have to see if the motherboard's good and stuff like that. That motherboard, that was a brand new motherboard off of Newegg back in, I think it's 2013, again, around that time, roughly. So this thing has a Core 2 Quad CPU. It has, let me see, it's got 8 gigs of memory. It's got this graphics card. Not sure exactly what kind it is. I do think it's NVIDIA. Some NVIDIA card. But the first way of resurrecting this thing and giving it some TLC would be to clean it out. Get all this dust out of there. And I may follow up with some more videos on this system. So, let's going to clean this one out. And this is going to be interesting, I'm sure. Okay guys, this was one of the worst ones I have had in a while. At least as far as getting the dust out of the system goes. Yeah, this one was pretty brutal. And there's still some dust in this fan. I tell you guys that when it's something about the cigarette smoke. When it combines with this dust, it just makes it so difficult to actually get off. It's crazy. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, when as far as take the front off the thing, try to get the dust out of inside the front. So, this computer was made back around the time that Windows Media Center was still a relevant thing. So it came factory with a TV tuner, as well as these front ports for composite video capture as well as audio capture. You could use this. You could use this computer fresh out of the box to capture VHS tapes, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this thing. I have to wonder how long this thing has actually been like this, because this is just crazy. But anyways, I think I will follow up with some more videos on this system. I'm going to refurbish it. Probably resell it. I'm not sure yet. I might keep it. I don't know. Haven't decided this yet. It's a Core 2 quad. It's some sort of Core 2 quad. And again, I can't be 100% certain if that Core 2 quad came with this system or I installed it with this motherboard upgrade. I can't remember for sure. But anyways, as I mentioned, I will follow up with an additional video on this thing, on the progress of going through and seeing how it works. I will do a video of me powering it up to see if it even runs and stuff like that. The thing I definitely got to do first, though, is back up the client's files. They wanted to keep the files, and now's the condition is they give it to me, and I just get the files off of it, and there you have it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to Computer Channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, CubeComp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.